welcome to the peaceful forest. It's time to put the forest animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake. Hello, squirrel. He's been collecting acorns and climbing trees all day, and now he's feeling sleepy. Can you say goodnight to the squirrel and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, squirrel. Hello, rabbit. She's been hopping through the meadows and nibbling on clover all day, and now she's tired. Can you help tuck the rabbit in and wish her a good night? Good night, rabbit. Hello, owl. He's been flying silently through the trees and watching over the forest all night, and now he's ready to rest. Can you say goodnight to the owl and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, owl. Hello, fox. She's been exploring the forest and playing hide and seek with her friends all day, and now she's feeling sleepy. Can you help the fox get cozy and say goodnight? Good night, fox. Hello, bear. He's been lumbering through the forest and foraging for berries all day, and now he needs some rest. Can you help tuck the bear in and wish him a good night? Good night, bear. Hello, deer. She's been gracefully wandering through the forest and grazing on leaves all day, and now she's tired. Can you say goodnight to the deer and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, dear. Hello, hedgehog. He's been curling up and unrolling as he explores the forest floor all day, and now he's ready to sleep. Can you help the hedgehog get comfortable and say goodnight? Good night, hedgehog. Hello, raccoon. She's been scavenging for food and washing her finds in the stream all night, and now it's time for her to sleep. Can you help the raccoon get cozy and say goodnight? Good night, raccoon. Hello, chipmunk. He's been darting through the forest and filling his cheeks with nuts all day, and now he's feeling sleepy. Can you say goodnight to the chipmunk and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, chipmunk. All the forest animals are tucked up and sleeping soundly. Now, it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all your adventures in the forest today.